Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Black Widow, so let's get started. To draw Black Widow, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to start to curve it down and go all the way around. So I'm going to come to the side right here on the other side so it's easier for my hand. And I'm not going to go all the way straight across because she has a strand of hair. So I'll say about right here I'll start. So about right here I'll start and draw the other side. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and make it the same. So go ahead and just connect it, curve at the bottom. There, something like that. Okay, so from there, let's come to where we started, and we're going to draw a circle for her eyes. So about right here, towards the edge. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot. We have to draw the other eye. So about right here. Okay, now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes, and let's come over here and we're going to draw her lashes. I'm going to come out, just draw maybe two basic curves for her lash. Same thing over here. And then let's come to the bottom right here and let's draw her smile. So about in this area right here, draw a curve and cap it off. From there, let's finish the rest of her face. And so I'm going to bring this up, imagining an oval. So let's bring this up more. So about right here. And probably give myself a point about right here. So where her hair is going to part, and I'm going to bring a curve down. And so then on this side, there's going to be a strand of hair. So I'm going to go up slightly on this side, and from there I'm going to come to where I started and draw another curve on top of that and bring it all the way down to her eye. So about right here, let's bring down a curve for one strand, and we can finish this curve. Okay, so then you come back in here and just finish her face right there, and let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come right up here, say about here, and draw a slight angle line. And thicken it up, and same thing over here. And tuck it in. So from there, let's go ahead and draw the rest of her hair. And I'm going to come over here and draw a curve that comes out and comes in. And let's start with this parting line right here. So wherever her hair is starting right here, I'm just going to go up. And it's going to curve, so about right here, I'm going to give myself a point. And I'm going to come down on this side and go up on the other side. So you can come in here and just finish the curve. So let's work on this side first. So I'm just going to come down and I'm just going to wiggle a curve that comes down to kind of to a little bit above her chin area. So right here, I'm just going to curve. And about in this area, I'm going to start to zigzag some strands of hair and tuck it in. And for some details right here, let's come and draw a strand of hair. And a curve if you like, and tuck it in. So now on this side, this strand of hair, this very important strand, let's come up, and we're gonna come down and finish off this. So come down and bring it all the way down and curve it up. There, we got that strand in. And you can draw some parting lines right here. And now let's finish this side. So we're going to give it a lot of volume. So let's come up and sort of wave it a little bit. And we're going to come up beyond that strand. So come about right here, come down. And once again, we're aiming for this area. So start to curve. And we're going to tuck it in. There. Okay, finally done with her gorgeous hair. Now let's draw her body. So we're going to come to the center. And let's start with a curve that comes down on both sides. And we're going to bring it down to a V, nice and low. And then let's come to the side right here to draw her collar and tuck it in. So same thing over here. Now let's draw her shoulders. That's coming out of right here on both sides. And let's imagine her armpit before we start everything else. So say about right here. On both sides, I'll give myself 2 points, and I'm going to start to angle a line down. So from there, now I can start to work on her outfit. From there, I'm just going to start about right here and cut it off with a curve. And she has this belt, so let's bring this down a little bit more. And make another curve for her belt. And then let's finish this part right here. So I'm going to come right here and just draw like a little zipper head, and then bring in a line right here for her outfit. And let's put a curve right here on the sides. And then she has this design, this line that comes through. So let's come right here. And it angles in. So let's go ahead and thicken that up. And same thing over here. And comes right over to here. There, something like that. And then right here, her belt, the most important part, is draw a curve right here for the black widow symbol. Just make that part black right there in the center. And then now let's bring this down more. So we're going to start to draw her hip. And this side is going to be a little bit more curved. So let's come here because we're having one leg out in front more. And before we draw that, let's come to the side right here. I'm going to draw a curve that comes right across to this edge. And I'm going to pop this out a little bit. We're going to draw this belt and connect. So a little utility belt right here. And let's draw some details in this belt. You can pop it out. Okay, And then from there, let's come to the center right underneath this belt, and we're going to draw a slight angle line. And let's continue this down. From this slight angle line, we're going to basically draw a very little angle line that's not too angled, but just a slight angle to it. And let's bring this in. So we're creating this shape, this leg that's coming, stepping forward. And if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this leg. I'm going to stop about right, hold on, let's see here. Let me draw this side first so I can get a better idea. So about right here, I'll stop, and I'm going to draw her boots. So I need to pop it out a little bit. I'm going to draw a little V right there, and pop it out, and continue to taper down. So I'm just going to bring this all the way down. And about right there, I'll start to flare it out for her feet. And connect for her boot. So then for some details, let's come in here and we're going to give a little edge and some curves right here. And you can pop everything out. If you're using a pencil, just pop all these straps out. Okay, finally done with that. Now let's draw the other leg. And we're just going to make it a little bit easier, and we're just going to tuck it right back in. And then let's some details right here for the other boot. So a little bit lower, about right here. There. Okay, and so then she has these straps on her legs right here. So I'm going to come about right here, draw one strap, and then a little pack right here, and then same thing over here, just a little bit lower, and a little pack right here that's holding. And then now let's finally draw the arms. So let's come right here where the armpits are, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down. So we're just going to have it come to the side. So her hands are going to be about in this area. And about right there, I'll stop because I need to draw this little detail that's going to pop out and connect it. And I'm just going to draw some lines in here. And now her hands. Come out with a thumb. And fingers. And you can make them look like gloves right here. Just draw two curves right there. And same thing over here. So once again, in this area, we're going to stop and draw the cuff. And once again, her hands. So right here. And the curve in her fingers. And then she has this line right here. If you like, you can do it when you're drawing it, that comes through her pants. In the center, and another one on this side for some detail. And you can add some patches right here. So there, that's pretty much it for my Draw Step Cute version of Black Widow. I hope you love how this drawing turned out and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.